Ancient Roman Art by Elisa and Mary Carol Coon. We will be talking about some of the influences, materials, and art forms they used. A lot of their ideas came from places they conquered, like Egypt, Africa, and Greece. But the Romans were also influenced by gods, goddesses, emperors, and leaders. One of the materials the ancient Romans used was rocks. They would crush them to make paint. Wood and twigs would be used to make paintbrushes, and so would reeds. Marble was also used to make statues. Copper was used to color paints, colors like blue. Glass was made for the eyeballs in sculptures. One of the more known art forms by the Romans is arches and columns. But the Romans also did paintings and murals. Most murals showed everyday scenes around Rome. Some, though, showed mythological scenes about heroes like Hercules. Some of the characteristics they all share is that they were richly colored and meant to make a house seem larger and brighter. Another thing is that some of the murals would have somewhat of an illusion in them. For example, a painting on a wall might look like a window looking out to a garden, when really there is no window or no garden. Paint would often be applied on top of the wet plaster to help preserve the paintings.
Mosaics are another art form the Romans did. In case you don't know what mosaics are, they're very small tiles that can be put together to make artwork. Mosaics are easily preserved, so we know about how many. In the beginning, all mosaics were black and white and on the floor. Gloss wax statue is molded from wax, then enclosed in clay mantles. Usually odd people. Marble and bronze were very expensive, and most statues were displayed in homes. More common materials were less expensive.